I'm Kevin Hasseford from Hasseford Farms, and you're in our fish room right now at our aquaponic facility. The tanks behind us are part of a whole grow system, which is the water that is in here. Once it goes through this system, it goes out to the greenhouse. The plants become the biofilter and use up all the energy. And then the water comes back to this facility. It comes into here, the water gets lifted up. It goes through all these grow tanks where the fish are. Then we go through a couple bigger tanks here called clarifiers that separates the solid waste from the water stream. And from there the water goes through a couple of tanks called mineralization tanks and aeration, and then goes back out to the greenhouse.
What you see out here in our grow house, this is our grow facility. Out here there is approximately 3,000 plant locations. Again, we can be growing lettuce, herbs, basically anything that has a root system we can be growing. This is butter crunch lettuce. Roots underneath here float in this whole system here, which the root system is fed by our aquaponics facility, which is our fish house. So what you see here is nutrient-rich water that flows from the fish house, comes out to the main greenhouse. The baby lettuce, herbs, whatever, are plugged into these floating sheets. They float around the system for 30 to 45 days, and then we harvest whatever crop there may be that we're working with. Typically we grow red romaine, green romaine, butter crunch lettuce, loose leaf lettuce, and fresh basil. Things tend to change a little bit seasonally based on grow days, temperature, light, etc.
We have a nursery system that when we get our little fish in, they're only about 1/2 of a gram in size. We raise them in the nursery system from 1/2 gram to about 30 grams. And that's when they get transferred into the big system. This is the nursery system we were just talking about. Again, there's 4 little tanks here. When we get the baby fish in here, they're only about 1/2 of a gram in size. There's a little sample of the size they are. These are ready to go to the big tanks now. So they're about anywhere from 25 to 40 grams. There's a little bit of size difference in there. There's about 1,000 fish in the system here right now. Each one of these will go to one of the large tanks in the big system. You have 4 little tanks. They go through a smaller version of a clarifier, which again gets the solids out. Goes from there, goes to the mineral tanks. Basically changes the bad ammonia into good usable nitrates. And then from there it goes to the grow bed. This amount of grow bed right here is enough to sustain the nursery system. Then starts the process all over again.